Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we will try to glow an LED using a Arduino Uno. So if you want to learn about Arduino Uno microcontroller, you can check our video. The video link is down in the description. First of all, we will try to design this circuit in the simulation software called Tinkercad. So if you want to learn about Tinkercad and how to use it, the video link is down in the description. You can go check it out. So let's start with our video. First of all, what we need to do is we need to select the microcontroller, that is Arduino Uno R3. So if you do not find there, you can click in the search bar and type Arduino and you can select Arduino Uno R3. So we need to drag the Arduino Uno to the board, and the other thing we need is a LED. So we need to type LED and we need to select the LED and drag it into the board. After that, we need to connect the 13th pin of the Arduino Uno to the positive terminal of the LED, and we need to connect the ground pin of the Arduino to the negative pin of the LED. So as you can see that our connections has been completed. After that, we need to program the Arduino to switch on the LED.
To program an Arduino, we need Arduino IDE that we have installed. Click on Arduino IDE. It takes some time to open. This is the interface that you'll see after you open the IDE. There are two sections, that is void setup section and void loop section. Now in void setup section, whatever the code we write, the code will only run once. Whereas in void loop section, the code will run again and again or in repeated manner. So to glow an LED with the help of Arduino, we just need to write very short program, and this is how we write. For that, we just need to tell Arduino from which pin we are connecting the LED. Now the keyword for that command is pinMode. pinMode, bracket open. Since we are connecting our positive terminal of our LED to pin number 13, so we'll write pin number 13 there and comma output. Now this line tells Arduino that or whatever the output device we are connecting is connected to pin number 13, and in the void loop section we'll write digitalWrite 13, high. Now this digitalWrite 13, high will tell the Arduino that pin number 13 has to provide high signal to the LED.
Now let's check our code in simulation. To do so, we need to select the code block and select text. Click on continue. This is the Arduino code that we need to switch on the LED. So let's close the code and start simulation. As you can see that our LED is glowing. Now let us start with the hardware connections. So before starting with the hardware connection, we need to know what are the components that we are using. So first of all, we are using a Arduino Uno R3, and secondly we are using LED, and as you can see the longer terminal is the positive terminal of the LED and the shorter one is the negative terminal. To connect these two, we are using a jumper cable, and this is male to female jumper cables. Now let's start the connections. First of all, we will take the jumper cable and the LED and we will connect it to the female side of the jumper cable. So as you can see, we are connecting the green wire to the positive terminal and the blue wire to the negative terminal. The positive terminal of the LED will be connected to the 13th pin of the Arduino. and the negative terminal will be connected to the ground. So as you can see here, the positive terminal is connected to the 13th pin and the negative terminal is connected to the ground. It is not necessary to connect the negative terminal to this ground pin only, as we have multiple ground pins on the left hand side, so we can connect it over there also. As our connection has been completed, now we need to upload the code to our Arduino. So to upload the code, as mentioned in the previous video, we need a USB A to B cable. The USB port will be connected to our laptop and the A to B cable will be connected to our Arduino. Now let us move to our PC screen.
As we have completed writing a very simple program, now to upload it in the Arduino, just go to Tools, go to Board Manager and select Arduino Uno. After that again go to Tools and select Port. Our Arduino Uno is connected to COM port 8. After selecting the COM port, click on this icon and you'll have to save your program. If you don't want to save, then click on cancel. Right now I'll save it with blink LED. After that your compilation will start. You'll see a green bar on the bottom right corner, as you can see here. The compilation is done, and click on this icon. When you click on this icon, again the green bar will be there. Now if you click on this icon, the code will be uploaded to Arduino. As you can see, that code has been uploaded.
The code is uploaded and as you can see here, the LED start glowing. Now we will try to blink the LED. First of all, we will see it in the simulation. We can also program the Arduino such that it makes the LED blink. That is, it will switch on the LED for certain period of time and switch it off and switch it on again repeatedly. To do so, we need to add few lines in our previous code. You can see here. Let's click on the code. So these are the 3 lines that we have added. So let's close the code blocks and start simulation. As you can see here, the LED starts blinking. Now let us do the same thing in hardware. As we have saw the simulation, now let's try the same thing in hardware and let's add few lines in our previous program.
To blink an LED, in the loop section, we just need to add few lines as mentioned before. Now those lines are, under this digitalWrite 13, high, just write delay, bracket open, 500. 500 means in Arduino programming 1 second is equals to 1000 milliseconds. I have written 500, that means it is 0.5 seconds or half seconds. With the help of this line, the LED will be on for 0.5 seconds. Now again after this line, write digitalWrite 13, low and delay 500. These 4 lines of code will, first it will switch on the LED for half second. These 2 lines will switch on the LED for half second, and again these 2 lines will switch off the LED for another half second. Now since this code is written in void loop section, the code will continuously repeat for n number of time until and unless we don't disconnect the power supply. Again let's upload the code. For that, go to Tools, select Arduino Uno, go to Tools and select COM port. Now compile the program. As you can see here, the compilation is being processed. After that, upload the code.
As we have successfully uploaded the code, and as you can see, the LED starts blinking. Now let's try to increase the on and off time of this LED.
To increase the on and off time, just change these numbers. For example, here it is 500, I'll write 1000, and here also I'll replace 500 with 1000. Upload the code to the Arduino.
So as you can see, the on and off time has been increased. Thank you for watching our video. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing our YouTube channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding our videos, you can leave a comment down below.